Both parties have submitted to arbitration. They've appointed their arbitrator after the petition has been filed.
Was there in the matter, Malans? The notice invoking arbitration itself is not on record, Malans. They say that arbitration was invoked on 8th March 2022. That notice itself is not there, Malans. That's number one, Malans. Number two is, Malans, kindly see their prayer. Because the prayer is at page number 16.
To appoint Mr. So-and-so District Judge, Judicial Member, NCLT.
Malans, that is their own nominee, Malans.
And we are not going to allow that prayer. We'll appoint an arbitrator.
My submission is that can be referred to mediation. We'll first try to attempt for mediation.
We'll refer it to arbitration, and then you can negotiate between yourselves, try and see if there's some resolution possible. Instead of keeping it pending, we'll dispose it off. How much is the claim actually?
$303,000.
How much does that work out to about approximately?
About 2.5 crores.
It's a tribunal for three members.
It's a three-member tribunal.
We've appointed.
Instead of three members, why don't we have one arbitrator, one sole arbitrator?
Yes.
By consent of parties, we may appoint a sole arbitrator. Because 2.5 crores. Appointing 3 arbitrators, the entire amount will go in the fees of the arbitrator.
Absolutely correct.
Right?
My lords, with respect, both parties have submitted to the 3-member tribunal. Both parties have appointed their arbitrators as well.
You want 3-member tribunal?
I don't have
2.5 crores is the amount. If you appoint 3 arbitrators, the arbitrators will consume the entire amount of claim.
Let's kindly consider one of these items.
Bearing in mind the amount, bearing in mind the fact that bearing in mind the amount of the claim, parties have agreed to the appointment of a sole arbitrator to resolve all the claims and differences between them. We'll stop. Accordingly, acceding to the request of the Learned Counsel on behalf of the contesting parties, Mr. Nakul Diwan, Learned Senior Counsel, shall stand appointed as sole arbitrator under the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. The sole arbitrator may fix his fees in consultation with the parties.
My submission will be referred that parties are willing to settle and they may explore mediation.
Since parties are willing to explore the possibility of a mediated settlement, it would be open to them to approach the mediation center of the Supreme Court in the meantime to explore whether a settlement is possible.
Much this submission. If the mediation could be in Hyderabad or in the High Court,